What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with another quick little episode of what's going on in our shop today. Today we have 2020 Ram Dually 6.7 liter Cummins, and we are changing this old beat up turbo. This turbo is seized with carbon and it is no good for the client. It's been throwing codes and the truck has not been operating the way that it should. This time around we went with the great turbo of BD Diesel. You can look at that big old upgraded compressor housing, VGT actuator, and this is a great product, and this is based on our recommendations and the preferences of this specific client. We elected to go with this turbo here. Again, you guys are our bosses. We throw out our recommendations and get your feedback, and we come up with a plan that you want us to do and you feel comfortable doing. Nothing is set in stone. We talk, we interact, and we come up with a solution for your rig. At the end of the day, you are the boss. Again, thank you guys again for all the love and support. Feel free to give us a call at the office, 832-925-8508, or hit us up on social media and we'll get you taken care of, boss. Thank you so much. Bless.